Hey guys, I'm Shantae from naturalveganmama.com, where we're all about showing you how easy this vegan lifestyle can be. Well, today I have a special video for you. Today we're making a what I eat in a day video, and we're eating soul food all day long. So let's get started and let's keep it easy. For breakfast, I'm having southern fish and grits and corn muffins. I found that eggplant tastes a lot like fried fish, so that's what I'm doing. I'm going to fry up some eggplant and I'm just going to season it up a little bit with some salt and pepper, maybe a little bit of smoked paprika, and get it nice and coated with all of those seasonings before I add the flour. And then I'm going to just add the oil to the pan and fry it up. And today's video is sponsored by Kaizen Cutlery, so yeah, I'm going to be using their professional chef knife today and show you guys exactly how it works. Alright, here's breakfast: southern grits, fried eggplant with a corn muffin on the side. For lunch, I'm having my famous southern chickpea salad. So here are just a few of the ingredients that I use for the chickpea salad. If you'd like the full recipe, I'll leave a link to it in the description box below. So guys, I actually have a confession to make. This is the first professional knife I've ever owned. And like a lot of you, I'm on a budget. But I will say using this Kaizen chef knife has made a huge difference in my meal prep time. Now I'm going to post all of the ingredients and get it ready for the sandwich. Zachary popped in to help me chop the tomato. It's his first time using the Pro knife as well, and I think he's got the hang of it. I've added a little bit of vegan mayo to Dave's killer bread, and now I'm going to add baby spinach. And also add a few layers of southern chickpea salad and sliced tomato before I add each extra layer of bread. Alright guys, for dinner I'm doing it big with vegan ribs, vegan mac and cheese, and green beans. Did you know that vegan ribs are extremely easy to make? You basically take wheat gluten, soy sauce, nutritional yeast, smoked paprika, tahini, and a few other spices. Knead the dough into a ball and then spread it in a baking pan. Then bake it. That's basically it. Then you can add your favorite barbecue sauce. You can also grill these bad boys. If you want me to do a full recipe video on my vegan ribs, let's see if we can get this video to 100 likes and I'll make it happen. Here's my vegan soul food dinner. I got my ribs, I got my vegan mac and cheese, and green beans. Alright guys, I'm about to go to town. I'll see you in the next video.